Hi, I'm Shelley Craft. I've arrived at the ABI showroom. It is selection day for my new project and I cannot wait to get started. When I'm thinking about a new project, I always sit on the block for a little while. You got to feel it. You got to feel where you're going to live. This particular house that we're doing a renovation of was a simple brick and tile home on an amazing piece of land. We are drawing our inspiration from a Tuscan villa, so it will have that sort of feel, which means lots of natural materials. It's very easy when you're using ABI Interiors products because they have everything. The only decision you will need to make is, of course, the colour and the particular style. You know that the quality is going to be exceptional. So here comes the tricky part, and that's why I'm in the showroom today, to choose the colour palette for my hardware. Look, the best advice I can offer you when you're heading into a build or a renovation is be really honest about what it is that you're after. If this is a forever family home, however long that time frame might actually be, build it for you. Don't worry too much about current trends or things that you're seeing on Pinterest. Really think about you and what your family needs from a home. If this is going to be a renovation or a build for sale, then absolutely look at what is current, what's selling in the area, what people are really wanting from a home. So I believe it's two very different styles of build or renovation.